In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to use our single-page side navigation, as well as how to construct a single-page website using custom anchor links in your menu. Now, the single-page side navigation is great for long format pages where users can get lost in all of the content. So a good example of a page where side navigation would be useful is actually our home page on the Divi demo. So let's enable it. You can enable side navigation on any page. When you edit the page, look for the ET settings box here on the side, and you'll see the side navigation option by default is set to off. So we're going to turn it on and update. And now when we load our page, you'll see that side navigation has been added here with little dots that represent each section on your page. So whenever you add a new section with the Divi Builder, it's going to add a dot here, and you can click on any of these dots to take you to the relevant section. Now, to take that a step further, if you're building a single-page website, you don't want any of your links on the home page or on the menu to link to anything other than your home page. You want it to link to different sections on your home page, just like these menus. So, for example, right now my menu is blank, all it says is home. Let's say I wanted to add a link to the menu that, when clicked, takes you down to this section that talks about the Divi Builder. So I want to add a link on our menu called Builder that, when clicked, takes us to the section on the same page relevant to the builder. Now, to do that, we're going to use custom anchor links that use ID tags. So you're going to edit the section and then use the CSS ID option to add a new ID, and then we're going to create a link that links to that ID. So let's show you how to do that. I'm going to edit my page. I'm going to scroll down to the section that talks about the builder, which is this one right here. Now, all sections have settings. You can see here the section icon, settings icon. I'm going to click that and scroll down and find the CSS ID option. So here you're just going to add an ID that represents that part of the page. In this case, it's builder. So just use something that's easy to remember. Click Save and Update. So I've edited my section and I've added a unique ID that represents that section, and now that we've done that, we can create a link that points directly to that section on the page. So we're going to create a new menu, so go to Appearances, Menus, and we're going to add a custom link. So scroll down here and look for the Links tab, and this will let you add anything you want to link. So in this case, we're actually just going to link to that ID, and we're going to do that using a hashtag. So we're going to do /, then use the number symbol, and then type in the name of the ID you just added. So in this case, it's builder. So I'm just saying that when this link is clicked, take us to the section on the home page that has the builder ID attached to it. And then choose some text for your menu, in this case, builder. Add it to the menu. I'm going to save. And then let's go back to our home page and see. So now I've added a new section, a new menu to the new item to the menu called builder. When I click this, it's going to take me right to the builder section on the same page. And now you can add as many of those links as you want. You can create new links that are attached to each section. For example, I could add a new one called responsive, and then I could edit this section that talks about how Divi is responsive. And when you clicked responsive, it would tell you all about that part of our product, and so on. And that's how you can create single-page websites using Divi.